Hi, it's Glenda, and today I'm gonna attempt to make some oatmeal flakes with this soap dough. I found this soap dough in my bag, and I'm not really sure what I used it for or if this was the original color. It doesn't smell rancid, so I don't think, maybe this was the color. But I have no memories of why I made it or where it came from. But obviously I rolled it into a log, and I had it wrapped in this piece of plastic, which is just so bad. So it's no surprise that it has hardened a lot and it's not pliable. Like if I make pressure, it will crack rather than, rather than come together. So let's see how it goes. I think I'm gonna try cutting this in half. Okay, and that's the color on the inside. Looks a little bit like wood, and I can see some titanium dioxide specks on it. And then I'm going to cut this in half. It is not completely hard, so what I hope to be able to do is to roll this and soften the edges so that I can get something like an oval. It's gonna require some elbow grease. Alright, it looks like the edges are becoming softer, and I'm going to do pressure to. Okay, so now I'm just going to try to slice off thin pieces. Alright, so I think that should work. It's a little bit too big, so I may try to make it a smaller with a second one. If I want it to be really detailed, I could do an indentation like that in the middle, but that's going to depend on how time consuming that becomes, because when I put them on top of this soap, I'm gonna make like a what is it called, peaches and cream soap. So I'm gonna put this on top, and when I pour it, maybe the part that has the half will fall like this and you won't be able to see it. So I don't know if that's gonna be worth it unless I do it on both sides, but I don't know. It's going to be a very small soap, so I may end up doing that. But anyway, if you wanted to create this, it seems that it's just like a light brown color, beige. It seems it was lightened with titanium dioxide, and I'm beginning to see some black specks. So if I'm not mistaken, this is probably part of the, maybe it was a leftover portion of a coffee soap, perhaps. But it doesn't smell like coffee anymore. Who knows? Anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye.